CYPRESS Semiconductor PSoC 64 Standard Secure AWS Wi-Fi BT Pioneer Kit is a low-cost development platform for creating IoT applications using the Amazon Web Services Cloud Platform. The kit is based on the PSoC 64 Standard Secure AWS MCU, which includes a 150 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 for the non-secure processing environment and a 100 MHz ARM Cortex-M0 Plus pre-configured with a root of trust and secure processing environment running trusted firmware M. The MCU is free RTOS qualified and designed to work seamlessly with the AWS IoT core. The kit also includes a Murata Type 1DX module based on the CYPRESS CYW4343W single chip solution for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The kit includes a KitProg 3 programmer debugger, 512 megabits of quad SPI NOR flash, Arduino Uno R3 headers for hardware expansion, a CapSense slider and buttons, and additional hardware for application versatility.